Hello viewer, I am Vivas Malik, and in this video I'll guide you how you can get Avira Password Manager for free for 6 months. Here you can see I have a link from this. You can get 6 months of Avira Password Manager for free. I'll give this link on my blog website. You just need to visit this blog website. Here you can see I will give this link in this video description also, or you can also direct go to Google search and khalifablogs.blogspot.com. And for the download, here you can see I have already write article about how you can download anything from our website. And if you are first time visit my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to reach first 1000 subscriber. Here you can see we have just 600 subscriber, and please visit once time in my YouTube channel. You will get some awesome useful tutorial and video. Let's start the tutorial. For this I am here using my Gmail address. You can also use it your Gmail address or Outlook email or Hotmail email or any temp mail also. Just go to the link which is I provided on my blog website and click on here and type or paste your email address, then click on this button, Get Password Manager Pro. Here you can see your trial version has been successfully sended for 6 months in a free. Let's check email address. Here you can see we have received our email from Avira. Let's open it. This button may be confirm email. Now here you need to type your password. Just type your desired password or anything and click on registration. Here you need to type your username and name and country. Type here anything. Suppose I am here typing, then name, and click on register. You can also change country from here. Here you can see we have now redirected to passwords.avira.com, and here we can simply log in our account which is just we have created. Click on continue, login. Then we will log in our Gmail address. Then we need to create a master password. Again type master password. Then select this checkbox, then click on create button. Maybe my internet is slow, so it takes some few seconds. Here you can see we have successfully logged into Avira Password Manager Pro. Here you can see also written, and then go to my account, and here you can see let's check you manage and renewal setting. Access my account. If sometimes it open in a German language, then you need to convert into English language. Here you can see trial version expired in 180 days. Just you need to open it. here you can see we have just created this account. And if you need a Grammarly Premium or 30 days old Facebook page or 1 year old Facebook page or Microsoft Office 365 genuine original license key or Prime Video for 6 months or Canva Premium, yeah, or GitHub Student Developer Pack, then you can contact me. I will provide you in a cheap price. Or if you need any WordPress plugin, I will provide these plugin and WordPress theme in a cheap price also, which is not nulled or cracked. You will get all the theme and plugin of GPL version. You can use it on unlimited sites. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video and leave a comment also. This method is working for you or not. Thank you for watching video.